This video will show you how to connect this camera. The connection methods for both cameras are similar. We'll use one camera as an example. Open App Store. If you are using Android phones, you could open Google Play. Search for AJ Cloud. Download. After downloading, return to the home page. Open AJ Cloud. Allow notification permissions. Click Sign Up to register an account. Select your country or region. Enter your email address and password. Select the terms and conditions, then connect. Click Next. You will then be asked for a verification code. Enter it. Registration is successful. You can log in. Return to the login screen. Select your country or region. Enter your email. Enter your password. Click Sign In, or you can choose the third-party account below to log in. Sign in. You can choose to register Face ID for faster logins next time. If you don't want to register, cancel. Click Allow. Allow checking. Prepare the device and power cord. Place it near your router and an outlet, and plug the camera into a suitable outlet. Wait for the camera to spin power on self-test. The camera will beep, indicating it has booted up and is waiting for network connection. Click Add Device. Allow Bluetooth permissions. If you are using Android phone, you could also follow the prompt to enable Bluetooth permissions. Wait for searching for Bluetooth device. Click Pair. Enter your Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. If this is not your Wi-Fi, click the arrow. Choose your own Wi-Fi. Put in Wi-Fi password. Select Remember the Wi-Fi password. Click Next. Wait for the connection to complete. You could name the camera. Click OK. Click Allow. Allow AJ Cloud to find device on local networks. Click OK. Connection is complete. You can now use the camera.